Hey guys, this is Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and I'm at the Hilton Sedona Resort here in Sedona, Arizona. It is beautiful here, and I wanted to give you a peek at our suite. These are really nice rooms, kind of have everything that makes it perfect for family travel. You have a little kitchenette area over here with a table, and then this really nice living room area. This room is actually an upgrade that we got with our Hilton Diamond status, and that's the one thing I love about the Hilton Diamond program is if they have upgrades available, you can get them upon check-in. And so this was a really, really nice perk to get this room. This front room has a television set, lots of drawer space, lots of closet space. As you can see here, you've got your safe, your iron, your ironing board. We've tucked all of our luggage in there for now. There's a fireplace out here in the front sitting area, and then a really cute little balcony. The weather is beautiful here. Obviously, the scenery is really beautiful here. So kind of a really nice little view here, and I want to show you the golf course is right over there. So beautiful evening here already, and we'll take you back into the bedroom. Again, this is a king suite. There's a peek at that. Really spacious back here. Another television set, lots of drawer space in here. And then another view out of this window shows a little bit more of the golf course, and of course, really scenic views. Really pretty here. We can't wait to get out and hike tomorrow. Let's see, here's a peek back at the room. And then this goes through here. More closet space. And a really nice sized bathroom here. And this comes in here, obviously, to the toilet area and shower. Really, really spacious, beautiful resort. We're gonna head out and do some more exploring, but I wanted to give you a peek at this. Great for families. Again, this is the Hilton Sedona Resort, and this is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.